Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Sunday, June 18th, 2023, 11:45 p.m. And what I've got today is a Banvil Envirofan heavy-duty orange line. And I'm going to tie these wires up so they don't get in the way. And without further ado, let's take it for a test spin. I don't have it hitched up to a rotary control because it has a plug, so I just have it connected to I'm just going to turn it on, plug it in, turn it on to fast speed. Oh yeah, that moves some decent air. Yeah, there's a lot that I'd like to learn about the orange line. I want to know who the OEM is. I'd like to know what years they were produced. But the plunger canopy, I'd assume sometime in the 80s. But I really don't know much about these fans. They're very interesting. So anyway, the orange line has been completed. Ding! Oak Grove, end of the line. Going to take it up, show you the tag. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.